Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this stacked fistail 5-strand braid. First, take a section of hair for the stacked braids from the place where you want to start the braid. I secure that piece with a clip. Then I'm beginning the fistail braid. Take a piece of hair and share it in 2 pieces. Then start to take small sections from side and bring them under to the another side. So take a small piece from right under to the left and small piece from left under to the right. Small piece from right under to the left. Next I add some hair and do the same to the another side. Small piece from right under to the left, add some hair. And small piece from left under to the right, add some hair. And the strand I'm adding in goes always with the strand I just moved, so add hair from the left side to the right strand and from the right side to the left strand. Continue braiding like this until you've braided few stitches more. Then I will leave the section for the stacked braid out of the braid. So just take a piece of hair and bring it side. Next I leave some accent hair that will stay out of the both braids, the stacked and this fistail braid. Then I just continue braiding like before. After every few inches I leave some hair out of the fistail braid so the stacked braid is easier to get on the top. To make the braid stand out better, I pancake the edges so the fistail braid will look a little bit bigger than it actually is. In this way, the 5-strand braid and the fistail braid will sew out better and both techniques are clearly noticeable. Once you've created the fistail braid until the end of the hair, secure the end and then beginning the 5-strand braid. Take first the top piece you left out with the clip and share that piece in 5 equal sections. Then I start the braid bringing outmost strand under and over. Again from the another side under and over, under and over, under and over, under and over, and under, over. Keep on repeating. Right under and over, left under and over, right under and over, and under, over. When your 5-strand braid reaches the point where you left out some hair from the fistail braid for the first time, then you need to add that section into the 5-strand braid. So take a small piece at a time. Into the one strand like this. Then add again from the another side. Like this. Repeat this until you added a small piece to each strand. Then just continue braiding until you reach again the point where you left some hair out. Then add hair in. And after that, just continue braiding like before. Keep on braiding until the both braids, fistail braid and the 5-strand braid, are on the same length. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!